Hi, it's your two favorite hairdressers. I'm Denise.
And I'm Jennifer, and we're from Martin Gray Hair Solutions. So Denise, what are we doing today?
Okay, so today we're doing a tutorial on how to apply the Mane Glory Halo. So we already have a video with us unboxing it, so now we're going to show you what to do.
Yeah, a lot of clients, some people who aren't familiar with the Halo even had asked me, they're like, that's nice you did the unboxing. How do you put it on? And I'm not gonna lie, I was a little taken back. I'm like, really? You don't know how to apply halos? Yeah, there are people out there who are just new to the hair extension world, and we just don't want you to miss out, because if you're somebody who has a need for the halo, we don't want you to miss out using it just because you don't know how to apply it. So Denise and I today, we're going to show you two different methods that we find are pretty easy. Of course, trial and error, you could figure out your own ways, but
and also, it's going to take us longer to explain how to put the halo on than actually you putting it on.
Yeah.
And once you're done and you get the hang of it, I mean, you can wear the halo every day because it's that easy to install.
And it's human hair, so, styling is not a problem. Usually, I would say time-wise, the actual application takes about 5 minutes. If that, and then it's just down to basically your styling. So of course we're going to be a little bit longer because we want to show you.
Yeah. Okay.
Do you want me to start or you?
Yeah, go ahead. You
go.
go.
So the first thing you're going to want to do is take out your halo, your Mane Glory halo. You're going to brush it out, and what you're looking to do is take out any tangles, and as well with your hair. She's already pre-brushed. There is an adjustment on the inside, so you would just find your adjustment and you will hook it. So that's what I'm going to do right here. I'm going to hook it. I'm going to just do it on the tightest one because it's a mannequin head. They usually are a lot smaller than a real person's head. I find that if you have more of a blunt haircut, you'd want to apply this a little bit higher just so you don't have the bluntness showing. And this is how easy it actually is. You're going to take your halo and you're going to apply it on top of your head, just like that. Now where I'm applying it, I'm going to have it sit right here, the front of it. You're going to have your wire. It's going to be about a ½ inch to 1 inch away from the top of your head. You're going to have this down. You're going to take your finger, just for some security. Sometimes I just hold it, and you're going to lightly take a rat tail comb, and you're going to pull some of the hair out on top. You're not looking to do it aggressively by any means, but you're just looking to take the top layer of hair all around your Mane Glory halo, and you're going to scoot it out. And then you're just going to comb it lightly over. Again, no need for any kind of aggression on this. You love your hair. You want it to be nice. And what we're looking to do is just taking enough of your top layer to cover the halo. Okay, so with a blunter style, if you take out too much, you'll see that big line of demarcation. And so what we're looking to do is just have enough hair to cover it, but it'll also, in the long end, be a lot easier to style. So what I'm doing is just going around and I'm pulling out enough hair to make sure that everything is covered.
You can see, but right over here, you just got a little bit more hair.
I'm sorry, I hope I'm not in your way. So we're gonna do that, and basically at this point, you're done. But one of the features of the Mane Glory halos, there are clips attached to this as well. So if you're somebody who wants a little bit more stableness to your hair, or if you're just a nervous Nelly, find that clip through some of your natural hair and clip it, boom, you're done. So this is option 1 that you could do. And at this point, then you would go on and style your hair as normal.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm going to unclip it. And Denise, please show us our second method.
Okay, so we're just going to go from there. I'm actually going to do the same thing that you did because I didn't carefully take it off.
Oh, you didn't carefully take it off. Okay. It happens. Whatever. So you can just reattach it. Okay.
Yeah, which is no big deal.
No big deal.
So, and I'm going to do the same thing that you did. I'm just going to comb it. Oh, actually, could you just hold
Yes,
this
I am
for
going to
me?
hold it. Would you like? Oh, no, you're brushing it. Okay.
I am brushing it.
Okay.
If you can just make sure the other
Yes.
thing. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a horseshoe parting, which is not going to be too deep. It's actually going to, I'm going to follow Jen's advice and not go too heavy on the hair.
Mostly because it's a blunt
Haircut.
hairstyle. You can put it lower if like you're just doing it for a little bit of thickness
Yes.
and your hair is on
And
the
you can
finer
always
side.
You can
And
always
layers, lots of layers.
scoot out more hair. And when Jen says it's a blunt cut, it means that this line is heavy.
So heavy.
So then what you're going to want to do is like a horseshoe parting just to make it easier. So you'll just take any kind of clip that you can get. I like these butterfly clips, but whatever, doesn't matter. So you're going to clip that up and just kind of comb down that other hair.
Looks very fancy.
Thank you, I like it.
Yes, I do.
So then you're going to place it exactly the same place that Jen placed it, which is 1 inch to a half an inch away from the top of your head like this.
Mm-hmm.
And now,
I'll just
put
my finger right here.
finger. And now I would say right now I could clip this.
Yeah.
If you could help me do it. Clip
I
it on
can,
the other
I
side.
Just catch a little of the natural hair.
Yes.
There we go.
There you go.
Well, doesn't that just look easy peasy? Of course you want to.
Style it.
Yeah.
And I feel like you should start like on a haircut like this where it is blunt. I like beach waves. I just think they're pretty. They're in style. It's like a little messy, but it's flirty and fun.
And it gives
So-
your hair like some texture. And if you have shorter layers, it's a nice, easy blend.
It is. So that's it. I mean,
Easy peasy.
it took longer to explain, and it's gonna take you longer to style because you'll love it.
Yeah.
You'll have all this good hair.
And just remember, like to say, like you style your Main Glory Halo and you love the curls, make sure you, when you take it out, put it in your silky satin bag that comes with it. Let me show you. Use your bag for storage. Then this way, when you take it out, it's not roughed up. You can just
touch it up a little bit. It's pretty much going to keep the same style, so it'll be even quicker to apply.
Absolutely.
So have fun with your Main Glory halos.
And
Wear
enjoy
them
it.
every day
Every
because
day.
it's easy to do. And
This is awesome. I'm Jennifer,
and I'm Denise.
and we're from Martin Gray Hair Solutions. Oh, and we'll also put the color of this halo in there just in case it matches your hair. Have a good day.
Have a